In this video, you will learn how to verify your Honeygain account. First, visit the Honeygain website and log in or sign up using your credentials. Then, if you're signing up with an email, provide a valid email address and create a password. After that, check your email for an email from Honeygain titled Confirm Your Email. After that, open the email and click on Verify Email. Next, Honeygain will ask you to upload a government-issued ID, such as a passport, driving licence or national ID. This is required. In some cases, you may be asked to submit a proof of address, such as a utility bill. After that, after logging in, go to your account section. Choose the preferred method for receiving payouts, such as PayPal, Cash App, or credit or debit card. Honeygain may send a small test payment to confirm that your payment method does work. Once your account is verified, you can start earning credits by sharing your internet connection through the Honeygain app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.